Welcome and embrace the face that is the Sulk Nation. Oh yes, it's the final. Yep, the final of the mods category of the Vaping Championships 2018. Oh, who will win? Who will go through to the semi-finals? Well, this video we're gonna find out. We have the Vapour Puma in a fight to the death with the Aspire Cygnet mod. Let's get down to it. The Aspire Cygnet, 75 watts of vaping prowess. Simple 3-stage menu system, buttons on the bottom. The aesthetic is stunning, many different colorways. Single 18650 battery. The Vapour Puma, 200 watts of power. A simple old school style screen. Temp control functions. Dual 18650. Ridiculous colorways and textural feel. You've got so much going on in these two mods. How am I meant to be able to work out which one wins? How? How am I meant to? Well, it's through the use of my brain and opinion. Let's see how they perform. As you can see, a 24mm Vapeston Avatar Mesh Tank Nano sits quite nicely on top of the Cygnet mod there. I quite like the aesthetic. Let's give it a go. I mean, the form factor as well as the performance is something that certainly plays into the Cygnet's favour. I mean, it looks stunning. Even with a multicolored tank on it, doesn't take away from just how nice the Cygnet looks. Easy to navigate menu system. The Puma built for 24mm diameter tanks. I like the old school screen. I have to say, it is a hark back to the yesteryear of like 2016. But I like that. It's simple to navigate too. Let's go. I mean, the instant power every time takes my breath away. It's just straight away on it. It's like an electric car. You put your foot down on the throttle and you're gone. It feels so nice in hand too. Its textured feel, along with the shape of the mod, I mean, it's an ergonomic dream. So it's that time. It's that time for usually one of the guys sat the other side of the camera to mess up and stick the wrong type of sound on. It's not Rick Astley. Why are you playing that instead of a drum roll? Oh, there we go, drums. Drum roll. Come on, guys, this is where I need to get my thinking cap on. Everybody here is on edge, bated breath. Will it be the Aspire Cygnet? Will it be the Vapour Puma? The winner is... It's the Vapour Puma! You just can't beat the value and the performance of this mod. That's what's gone through to the semi-final. The Vaping Championships 2018 is at its next stage, the semi-finals.